West Bengal gi Suvendu Adhikari ngasi West Bengal gi Mapan Suba Chief Minister Oina Washak Loubagi Thouram da Manipur gi Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand su Sharuk Yakhre. Kolkata gi Brigade Ground da pangthokiba Washak Loubagi Thouram aduda India gi Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, BJP lengak paiba State Singi Chief Minister amadi Center gi BJP gi makok thongba luchingba kayana Sharuk Yaki. West Bengal da BJP gi ahanba Chief Minister Oina Suvendu Adhikari bu State adugi Governor RN Ravina Washak Loki Amaromda Washak Loubagi Thouram aduga mari lenena Manipur gi Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand na mahake social media account thagalakpa warol amada Suvendu Adhikari bu thagatpa phongdorakli ngasigi numit asidagi West Bengal gi political amasung chawkhat thaurangi anoba khongchat ama hauragani anoba lengak asina miyam gi apamba sing ning thunghanba industrial growth khumang chawsinba amadi miyam da thabak pibagi ahenba khudong chaba phanghanba ngamlagani haibagi thajaba chawna thamli haina Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand gi warol asina makhatari